So we're going to try to make an unboxing video here. So this is the unboxing of the M295 replacement oil pump for the LS. I got a 6-liter we're building, and it yeah, so part number M295. For some reason, some people like these unboxing videos, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, that's the pump. The one in the junkyard LS, it's one of the threads is stripped, so it was the pickup was just sitting in there, and it looks good. Again, that's the M295 pump, and as you can see over there, that's the cam. That's the sloppy grind from Jags. I got it on for a good deal for $229, I believe. That's the 228, 230 cam. 585 and 588, 585 and 588 lift both intake and exhaust. Anyways, there you go. Unboxing video of the M295 Melling LS oil pump. This is going to be going into a 6-liter. Thanks for watching, if anybody's watching.